Wait, did you know consolidation and distribution are the secret weapons behind today's biggest brands? Let me show you who's crushing it and who's falling behind. TikTok's massive user base makes distribution fast and viral, great for brands looking to get in front of a huge audience. But without TikTok, companies are missing out on a platform that drives engagement and rapid visibility. Temu is killing it with direct-to-consumer models, cutting out the middleman and offering unbeatable prices through fast consolidation. Although, if you're not streamlining like Temu, you're paying extra and slowing down your supply chain. Walmart's world-class distribution network moves products at lightning speed, ensuring availability everywhere. Without a distribution machine like Walmart's, you're stuck dealing with delays and higher costs. Amazon's mastery of consolidation, warehousing, logistics, last-mile delivery is why they dominate e-commerce. Not competing with Amazon on this front, you're probably playing catch-up on speed and customer satisfaction. Kroger's grocery consolidation is solid, using both brick-and-mortar and online channels to get fresh products to customers fast. Companies that haven't integrated this level of efficiency are missing out, and UNIS isn't one of them.